I sink into my armchair after work every day. I am sinking into a warm bath right now. I have just sunk a long putt. I have been sinking money into this old car for months. I sank 3 baskets in a row yesterday. I was sinking into the sofa when the doorbell rang. I had sunk deep into thought before anyone spoke. I had been sinking fence posts all morning before it started to rain. I will sink into bed as soon as I get home tonight. I will be sinking putts on the green at dawn tomorrow. I will have sunk the last post by the end of the day. By June, I will have been sinking savings into this house for 2 years.